Now we are discussing about yogas. In that yoga, we are discussing about what are the 12 sun salutation poses, Surya Namaskaras. Salutation poses means Surya Namaskaras. What are the 12 sun salutation poses? The 12 sun salutation yoga poses are prayer pose, upward salute, standing forward bend, low lungi, plank, knees, chest, chin, cobra, and downward facing dog. All these are the 12 asanas. Salutation poses are there. And then how long is 108 Surya Namaskar? This practice can take anywhere from 50 minutes to several hours, depending on your pace and how often you take breaks. If you are interested in trying it out, here are a few tips to get you through your first 108 sun salutations practice. Then next point is how many Surya Namaskar a day? Surya Namaskar is a powerful technique to make you more mindful. With regular practice, it increases awareness, forming a deeper connection between the body, breathe, and consciousness. You can start with 5 cycles a day as a beginner and slowly increase it to 11 cycles per day. And then next question is what is the benefits of 108 Surya Namaskar? The benefits of 108 Surya Namaskaras are numerous, ranging from enhanced flexibility to a stronger spine. This deep breathing exercises cleanses the respiratory system while calming and balancing the mind. However, novices, pregnant women, and backache patients should seek medical advice before trying out this schedule. This is the information regarding Surya Namaskaras. Surya Namaskaras also will give before Surya Namaskara means the early morning or evening after 4 p.m. also very comfortable by doing Surya Namaskaras. Every Surya Namaskara will give enhancement and enlightenment to you and your breathing system, immune system, everything will be active and powerful. Wishing you all the best.